Hello folks, welcome back to B Mills Farm. It is snowing out here. Got quite a bit of snow so far. We're expecting 7 to 12 inches or something like that. So probably got a couple inches right now. Total from what we had before, we probably have 4 inches or so. Hi guys. Hi. On my way home, I think I have a plan for how to... I swear that rooster only crows when I turn this camera on. But I think I have a plan on how to tighten up the chicken coop so that it doesn't have a ton of snow buildup on it. He's a good character, I guess. Good character on the funny farm. All right, so my plan is to put a ratchet strap around here, up over this, and down onto this one. And maybe if it's tight, it'll keep this from sagging in the middle. It's got a lot of snow on it already. Is this thing on? All right. I'm gonna throw these one strap on and see if it even makes a difference, and then if it does, then I'll just do it for all of it. The key to proper ratchet strap ownership is to make sure that they're always tangled, so when you need them, it takes extra long to get stuff done. Whoa. Well, it's not really doing something, but it's not really doing nothing either. That's not really touching the strap, but I think once it gets a load on it, it'll keep it from at least pooling up here. Hopefully it'll, when it gets heavy enough, to slide off, because like you can see, I think you can see how saggy that one is. Super saggy. So if I could at least make it so that, you know, once it gets a few inches on it, sheds off, that'd be better than nothing. So I think I'll just keep doing this for now. Tomorrow will be the true tell if it did anything. But for now, can at least try to make a difference. Yeah, it's not the best setup, but at least it can only sag so far this way before it would just I didn't show you, but there was a lot of snow on it already. All right, so you can see what I've done. Just gone up over the middle to the sides on every one, all the way down. Hopefully it'll help. Tomorrow will be the true test. It's supposed to snow all night. It's supposed to snow. Today's Thursday. It's supposed to snow all night tonight, all day tomorrow, into Saturday. So if we do actually get a foot, like they say, then we'll find out how durable this thing really is. But so far, I mean, for the price and the ease of putting it together and the space that they get, I'm really happy with this thing. So hopefully this little experiment works out. Oh, important message. I decided to name her the original chicken on the farm. Someone commented Princess Leia. And I like it, so that's what I'm going with. It's kind of a play on words, you know, egg layer, Leia. I'm guessing that's what you're going for. But either way, that's Princess Leia from now on. Maybe we could name the rooster too, since he always has to be a part of every video. It's getting dark quick out here. All right. Now I just have to water the pigs. Oh, actually, I have a lot to do. But now I'm gonna go water the pigs. Well, new discovery. On snowy afternoons like today, you can't see anything in here. I'm in the pig barn right now, and it's very dark, so that's a bummer, because everyone loves the pigs, and I can't even see them. I think I'll have to put some lights in there one way or another, because it's really dark in there, and it's about 20 after 4. All right, I know for sure I had something to talk about, but I'm not sure what it was. Chickens are done. Pigs are done. Well, I have some news. It's not, I really thought I had something else to say, but anyways, tomorrow, hopefully, oh, I know what I was gonna do. Stand by. I'll tell you on my walk up to the house. Tomorrow after work, hopefully, I am going to be someone just stopped in front of my house and did a burnout. Not sure what that means, but I'm open to it. Anyways, tomorrow after work, I am going to hopefully be picking up the new pigs. Now I say hopefully because the guy I'm getting them from works for the county, I believe. And if we actually do get the snow we're supposed to get, then he might have to be out plowing. So hopefully tomorrow you guys will see some new pigs. Am I totally ready for them? Of course not. But the bay with the gate on it, I can just chain the gate up, and they're small enough that I'm not worried about them causing too much trouble. Hi, girls. So this is what I was trying to remember to do. I wanted to come get the girls to hang out outside because they like the snow. Come on. Hey. Come here, Cal. Good girl. Come on, Cal. Come on. What are you doing, Cal? Now that I got the chickens locked up, I can let them run around out here without worrying about them eating the chickens. Because Callie will. Nala won't, but... What are you doing now? Huh? What are you doing? Just ran through the electric wire. It's not on or anything, but it's nice to have your own little piece of the world that you can let your dogs at least run free on. Not intentionally let your pigs run free on it. What are you girls doing? Good girl. What are you doing? Hi, Cal. You guys like playing? Well, gonna drive these girls in the truck back up to the house, and I think that's gonna do it for today. I have a few ideas, a few designs in mind for the merch I'm gonna do besides my logo. Some stuff that I think you guys will think is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna get the back of the truck ready. I gotta get the bins and stuff cleaned out of it because I'm gonna hopefully bring the piglets home in the back of my truck because I have a cap on it, so it should be fine. So I'm just gonna get that done and then go inside and make dinner. So I appreciate all you guys watching today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and keep an eye out on the page because I got, like I said, hopefully piglets coming tomorrow, and then in another month or so I have a much larger animal that's going to be coming on the farm. So just stay tuned for all that. Until then, keep farming. I'll catch you later.